Well, hello guys, Trailrider. Like I said, I was going to do the videos on upgrade. Let's pull this front axle off and we'll get ready to switch it over. We're going to disconnect all the 4 links, the drive shaft. I got to unplug the steering servo from the receiver. And like I say, I'm new to this thing, so I got to figure out where everything's hidden at in here. But then we'll get all that unplugged and we'll go from there. So first thing I'm going to do is disconnect the shocks. Size Allen. Holds them on. Let's see here, which way is this clocked? All right, I got that all figured out. We're all good. Get this off, that off. Now we just got to get the steering servo unplugged. Rebuild the axles. So this video here may be the part where we're just going to pull it apart and get it ready to put. Then my next video will be building the axles up to put them back on. This will be part 1 of I don't know how many we're going to end up with. I appreciate each and every person that watches my videos, has subscribed to my channel. You guys are awesome. I've been doing YouTube since 2014 or so, and I enjoy doing it. Look right there. Oh, wow, there's a brushless motor. There's a piece off the receiver is in here, right here. Figured it was hiding in here. Look how big that bar is. That's 7-8 inches. That steering link is. Okay, now I'm going to take the steering servo out of here, even though we're not going to use it. I'm going to take it out. Okay, remember the shaft goes towards the differential. It sits in there. Writing is up, right side up. Should talk to him. Maybe I'll just keep this. can install. I should be able to. I got to pull these covers off. I thought maybe I might have to install the bearings, spindles. And for the record, on the other one, I pulled these blocks off it, plastic axle, and you don't need to do that. Put that in there, and put our piece back on, don't get them mixed up right away. Then we can go ahead and install our short axle. Lock into the gear. There it is. Then we can put our spindle on. So. Put our pins in. Well, I'm going to do one side. I'm going to do one side, and then I'm going to come back at you when I got the axle all built. So I'll do this side, then I'll come back with you when I got it all built. So we'll get back with you when we got the axle built. Okay guys, we got the linkages on it. Got the linkages all on it and hooked back up. Like I say, he gave me these right here to put on here. But the problem is you kind of want to, with all this metal, you want to have a breakaway point. I'm sorry. So I'm going to just tell him I didn't install them and a reasoning for it. Because if they break and he decides he wants to put it on, he can. Otherwise, you could literally wreck one of these pieces on here. And quite honestly, for what this axle assembly cost, I think I kind of would want. Guess what? His servo horn won't fit. Will not fit. So we're just going to go ahead and put this back in. Uh-oh. We may have us a issue. Where is the box? You may have to get a different servo horn. I'll be right back. This is Trailrider 570 coming at you again. Now I'm going to end part one here. This is the axle assembly. I got it all put together. The only issue we got is, you know, so the steering link ain't hooked up. We had the wrong, he ordered a servo horn, and this has got a bigger servo, so it won't fit on it. So he's got that. And I'm going to rebuild the shocks. So the next time you see it, I've already done the 4 links. They're already on it. These are the 4 links right here for it. So the next time you see it, I will have service these front shocks, and I'll have the front end on it, and it will be doing the rear end. The rear end shouldn't be as bad. So that being said, this is Trailrider 570 signing off, saying good night and God bless, and I'll see you on my next video and the next part of this video. So this is the end of part 1. Part 2 will be follow. I may shoot it tomorrow. I'm not going to show you the reassembly process of putting this on the truck. It's just like taking it off, just reverse. So I will see everybody later on, and for now, good night and God bless.